The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Very good morning. Dennis, good morning. Fellas, good morning. Anthony. Guys, Bank of England just raised a quarter point. It was a split decision on a quarter basis or half. Markets are relatively quiet. I've been watching them since 4 a.m. We are in shorts. NASDAQ is in shorts. I think the market gets wrecked today, but we're shorts on every time frame. I don't see longs, fellas. And I stopped seeing dead people, so. Morning, guys. If you guys are here on trial, good morning and welcome back. Yesterday was an unusual trade insofar as order flow was good, as it usually is. But we didn't have one single bot trade. We basically were trend down most of the day, and the reversals were small. If you guys like NASDAQ, you have a short, 95 target 1. And this could come down to 336. Yeah, there's 95. That was quick. We're shorts, guys. I'm telling you, we're shorts. We need to break 94. We come 80. And I think we continue to bust down. I couldn't move a dime fast enough to get in that trade. We just bounced off some 10-minute support. That's it. NASDAQ needs to break down below about 89. And I think it's a dust. We do have continuing and initial jobless claims at 8:30, which won't do, I don't think, anything, regardless of the number. After the close, we have Amazon and Apple. My opinion is Apple will, if they beat, their forward guidance may be poor. If they beat, iPhone sales are down. And then tomorrow we have the all-important non-farm payrolls. But the overarching issue, of course, is this debt downgrade, credit rating downgrade. I like shorts. I like shorts. Let me quickly read the disclaimer. We'll look at charts. Next 10-minute bar could do it on the little bit bigger time frame. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation or an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. All right. So we got target 1. All right, guys, good. Good morning. So next target is 81. Call it 82 just to be safe. 82. Should have the damn bots on. I don't. I did run bots this morning when I said we're shorts. 95 was my first target. Where did I get that? This purple line is the standard line on the 10-minute chart. Standard line in the hourly is way up here. But on the 10-minute chart, I know that's going to be some support. So 95 was our first target. We got that. I need really a 10-minute close. We're going to get a 10-minute close below the cloud. What I want is a 10-minute in 57 seconds, ideally to close below this 91, 92. And I think we carry down to this 1 standard deviation at 337. ES, similar look. We're holding the standard line on the daily chart. Hourlies are short. 10 minutes also just bounced off the standard line. Guys, this is a trade that started out right at the whole number. It's up almost 30 handles. 95 was target 1. Got to get below 70, really 68.75. Shouldn't be anything here. We're coming back down to the lows. I'd bet it. ES coming to 15. Up to 2,400 sellers. Now it's just holding the top of this distribution area in here. This should push down to 55. Gold got torched. I wasn't watching gold. Anybody still holding NASDAQ? Okay, Todd. All right, there's next target. Got to break 68. Your target becomes 62. Okay, Mark. 68. Your target becomes 62. All right, this is resistance here for a short. 80, 81. It's back testing that 81, 82. which was a target. You can sell 80, this 82 with a stop at 01. May not even get there. Struggling to get 80. We have some news coming, guys. You may not want to initiate any new shorts. Jamie Dimon comment this morning. COVID money that people have, I say parenthetically, saved will be exhausted by December. All right. What are we looking for on numbers? 225 versus 221, 1.7. So an increase in continuing as well as initial is what they're looking for. 225 and 1.71. Productivity. Still don't have the numbers, job numbers. 227. Yeah, we got. The good news is, John, I'm not sure why this is construed as good. And just miss on continuing. The good news is you won't have to deal with Biden in the next election. He'll be long gone. They're doing everything they can. It's not good. They'll do everything they can to get rid of him. The bad news is you're going to get Gavin Newsom. No, they won't leave Trump alone. They're not going to be happy until he's incarcerated. Crude got my 80 target to the tick. Hourly target on crude is 80.35. And here comes NASDAQ right back down. Nice job, Ken. The news wasn't good. We just need a break below 68 now. They bought 200 contracts in that candle on the news and sold every one back and closed negative delta 54. It's pushing 06. It's got to get through 6. Come on, push. Let's go. All right, there's target 1. Small, 5 handles, guys. I'm not playing with this long. I don't particularly dig it. I'm at break even. flat. I don't particularly like the long unless it gets up above 20. 14 is yesterday's low. I would fade VWAP. I need this candle to close. Come on, give me a new candle. One more. Come on. Poquito más. You're going to bounce on me again? Seriously. $12 buyers. It's this damn 10-minute, bottom of this 10-minute cloud. We keep breaking it. It won't close back below it. Fudger. Get down here. I'm out. I'm done with pre-market, guys. It's this. It's the 10-minute cloud that's holding this up. It's not long. It's short. Look at this rat bag. Here comes my target. Thirteen seconds, next 10-minute bar. Opened right on the bottom of the cloud. All right, guys. Here we go. We're off. Some buyers on the open. Let me go back to bigger time frame. There's that first level of resistance. Didn't get there. 80. See what happens at 80. Got 400 buyers in here. Tag that first level. Looks like it wants to go through though. Next level up is 98. Okay. Boop, 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 boop. Still shorts, guys. Almost 600 buyers in the opening bar. I'll short that 97, 98 if it gets there. I'll also short it if it rolls with sellers. Still have a lot of buyers in here. 700 in this bar. The 10-minute is stalling at this resistance. Excuse me. I'm going to sell 98. Trendbot just took a long. 2 contracts. Close the trade. We didn't get 98. You can cancel that. And I'm watching for the short, not yet. Now. Come on, break that daily. Here we go. Come on. This really breaks hard below 50. Took 2 off. Below 50, it breaks hard. I took 1 off, holding 1. We're going to bounce back to 72 to 76. There's 72. Should fail. Come on. Okay. All right, I'm flat. We're into resistance here. It should come down. No momentum now to the downside. If this rolls again, I'm going to short it again. Not yet. It's a short, guys. But it bounced right where it had a break. It bounced 51. Below 50, it gets zonked. It bounced right at value area low. Now it's actually a long. Got to get through here. And this could be a long. Small buyers. Yeah, now we're going up to that 98, I think. Nothing like the open. Bot is long again, trend bot. It's currently up, down 150. Chop and chop. Small range. I think I want this long. I'm late. Down to 18, below 1800. Right there. Got to get through this 98. We're going to squeeze up. A lot of buyers. They got the shorts trapped now. Hang on, guys. Just adjusting charts. Qs are going to push to 73.25, 73.55. I like the longs, guys, at this point. Although we're fighting this low volume area, we're back into that. I think we're going to trade back to 19. It's filling in the profile. $14 is yesterday's low. Down to 1200. I'm going to have to adjust the settings on the high water mark and the pullback on the trend bot. I've got them too tight. We failed VWAP. $410 is a double top on the 10-minute. 410. Maybe 411. Trend bot's long again, but it keeps taking the same trade in the same area. All right, fellas. Candle close above VWAP, and I'm going to be long. Full candle close above VWAP. 14 is a problem, but I think we go through it. Full candle. Next candle. Another pushing this resistance. 11 quarter is our problem area. We're going to go through it, though. You can buy support here. I just bought support. If it gets through 11, this thing is off to the race, says. Nice job, Ricky. We stopped at 14, which was yesterday's low. If it gets through 14, it's... All right, I sold 2. Had it. Got to get through 14. Holding support, wedged in at resistance. Hourlies are giving us a hard time too. If this can clear my entry, I'll probably take this trade off. Something long somewhere. Oh, the trend bot. Come on, man. Get above VWAP. Here we go. Now clear 14. I'm flat. Should make it to 20. 2 minutes to the 15-minute bar closes. Q's pulling back a little bit. We could pull back to 82. We know where resistance is. It's a short. That 10-minute is jocking us still, but the hourly is holding us up. I like the shorts from here. Unless that hourly can break up. U.S. services PMI, but I think we come 82. $25 seconds. One-tenth lower than expected. I think still can't get through this area here. Down to 1,000 net sellers. The 10-minute is jamming us, so is the hourly. The hourly really needs to get through that low from yesterday. I like it long here. $95 back up to 14. No, you're going to do 82 first. Come on, push here, you dog. I'm long in my cash account. I'm long in a cash account. It's not going anywhere. There we go. Come on, man. Go get 14 again. Bust through 14. It's this 10-minute is just killing us. $1,100 sellers. If I can get near 14, I'm going to take risk off in my cash account. Here we go. Come on, you're above VWAP. Oh, you scumbag. You got him. There we go. Go get 14. Come on, baby. There we go. We're through. All right. Took some risk off here, fellas, in my cash account. Target one is 74.50. Target one is 74.50. Hell, I had it at 95, Mark, in my cash account and closed it. Come on, Q's push. $1.16 or $1.19. We're fading here a bit. We're going to get a short. Below 28. Come on, push, baby, push. Let's go get 473, yesterday's close. All right, he's running out of gas, it looks like, up here. Well, maybe not. Need Qs to get above 22, 374 and 22 cents. Not many buyers up here. ES doing nothing. It's really the NASDAQ show, and I suspect this is Amazon and Apple. They're drawing longs in, and they'll probably leave them up here. Factory orders at 10 o'clock won't affect us much. Watch the short. I'll be short below 28. 27. Doesn't come down. It's only 200 net buyers up here. Yeah, I think I got the same settings as you, and I'm at 200 bucks. Although I think I was running mine earlier. So you only started at the open is what you're saying? Oh, okay. Here we go, guys. Anybody in queue calls? Anybody in queue calls at $1.16? They're now $1.35. My first target is 74.50. They just hit 37. Okay, Deepak. Come on, give me that 20 cents on those calls. Come on, Q's. If we get back to yesterday's close, that should give first target. Excuse me. Maybe waiting on 10 o'clock. Daily resistance at 58.50. Weekly. We're getting toppy in here. Still like this short down here. Guess we're waiting on factory orders. Three-tenths lower than expected. Should be good news. Man, this thing looks to me like it wants to freaking die. Seriously. No. There we go. All right, Q's. Still can't get that damn first target. We're getting close to a reversal, guys. We have 700 buyers. We're hanging on up here by a thready thread. All right, guys. Those of you guys that have Q calls, we're 10 cents from target one. Dollar. There we go. Target one. Take risk. Some risk off. $1.16 to $1.38. Take some risk off. Not a big trade, but nice trade. We have gap fill. So if we're going to puke, now we can puke. We have gap fill on the Qs. All right, guys. I'm looking for a short. Got to get down here. 29. Target one will be 14. 29 with a 14. If it doesn't come, it doesn't come. So let's call it 16. That's the trade I'm looking for. We've gone negative delta again. Only down 33 points on the day. Apple down almost a buck. Amazon's up 35 cents. Both report after the close. Boy, SPX looks like puts. Came close. Sellers trying to creep in. Closing in on 500 net negative delta up here. Can't stay here. Cannot stay here. I'm short. 14 is my first target. 16. 1,300 sellers, guys. Are you shitting me? 1,300 net sellers. Where did all this selling come from? 1,500 net sellers. Can't stay here. Cannot stay here. Some small buyers. $1,500 sellers, closing in on 1,600 sellers. 1,600 plus sellers. 1,600 plus. 1,700 sellers. Cannot stay here. Told you. Don't watch the damn trade. 1,700 plus. 1,800 coming. Target one hit and filled. Free trade. Say goodbye. 1,800 sellers. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Now we're just holding yesterday's low. We need to break below 14. We get 08. A little bit of support at 08. Below 08, it's a dumpster dive. Below 08 is a dumpster dive. Anybody take that short? Okay. Anybody still short? Okay. Below 08 is a dumpster dive. Nice job, Mark. Say goodbye. 1,900. Say goodbye. 1,900. We held 08. 09. That's what's got to break. When that goes, say goodbye. Holding that support. It's going to go. 1,900 plus, closing in on 2,000. 2,000 net sellers. New 2-minute bar. The next breakdown should take us to 89.90. 89.90. I'll get one off at 92 and try to hold one for a complete mugging. We're going to get 15-minute support and a possible bounce. We did at 96. I'm just off on that target. Thank you, Mark. A couple hundred buyers came back in. Could go back up to 30. Back to the scene of the crime. All right. trend bot is in a short. $30 looks like another short. I don't know that it can get there. There aren't many buyers here. VIX is approaching 17, up 5%. Okay, it's back testing the breakdown. Back tested where it broke down from. Back down to 1,400. They bought 600 contracts back. Sellers coming in again. Need to break back down below 14. And then 08 if you're still holding. There's 14. Got to get below 14. Come on, get below 14. That'll start. Well, really need to break 8 again. Back to 1,600 sellers. That was the reload on the pullback to 29. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Jill can die. Jill can do it. Come on. All right, new bar. Let's go. Chopping around VWAP. We're holding that support at 8 or 14. Between 8 and 14, it just needs to break down back again below 08. And I think it's going to flush. Trade them as you see fit, guys. I mean, we've got nice runners. I'm holding. There's below 8. Back up to 1750 on the negative delta. It's got to push here. $1,800 again, net sellers. This can't hold, guys. It can't hold. It's just the fight here at VWAP. It's what's going on. Crude is breaking down. Qs are also sitting on support at 73.29. SPY doesn't look good. Bot added a second contract. Here's Q, same thing. SPY looks like it's going to break down though. Come on, you choppy, chop. Let's go. There we go. We're below that support. You got them now. You got to push here. We're below that 8. Come on, push. You're below yesterday's low. Push. Come on, sellers. Somebody sell 1,000 or 2. This is annoying. Yeah, but we haven't even tagged it yet. 99.75. We breached it on the previous 15-minute bar. I'm watching it. I'm trying to give this damn trade the benefit of the doubt here. We've got half the position off in the money. If you guys look at a 10-minute cloud, we're holding the bottom of the cloud again. If you look at the 60-minute, we're holding the standard line. Bank of America, Moynihan, credit rating downgrade is a non-event. Anybody still holding? Anybody still short? Okay, Todd. All right, bunch of you guys. All right. Nice job, fellas. She's going to break, guys. She's going to break. Bot now has 3 short. All right, now we're breaking. We're below the point of control, guys. The point of control got pulled up. Boom! Target 2 hit and filled. There we go. All right, guys. Bot's up 945 now. It's over. Go to sleep. Put it on autopilot. Put it on Tesla Auto Drive. See you tomorrow, Mohammed. Hasta mañana, my friend. All right, guys. Target for me is low of the day. Back to 2,400 net sellers. 2,400. We finally worked down through this, right? By sitting there for 6.5 weeks, it filled in the profile. Now you got this really small area. Unless we blow through this, it's not much. There we go. Done. Nah, not really. We could stop here. It's got to push hard. She's going to break, guys. 75 is going to give a little bounce. We're at 2,500 net sellers if you're still holding. Trendbot sold again. 2. It's just holding the top of the 2-minute cloud, but it's breaking. Going to get a little bounce at 75. Got a 50 handle runner, guys. 50 handles. And retail gets bagged once again. All right, we're at the bottom of the 2-minute cloud. We need to break down here. A little bit of a bounce at 75. We're at 27, almost 2,800. All right, that killed it on the pullback. The bot's up 1295. Did its job. Hell, I'm not even going to get a sell signal on the 15-minute bar until the close of this candle. Meanwhile, we're 50 handles in the money. That's why I like the 30 range. But the 15-minute candle is going to give me a sell signal in 3.5 minutes. If there's anybody that's not short and you want to get in, you got to wait till the 15-minute bar closes. 5-minute gave a short at 08. 20 handles below where we got in. She's just clinging to this cloud. Should drop to 62 now. Whoop. 65.75. Should get 60. There it is. 62. Boom, chaka, laka, boom. Who thinks we're going for low of the day? 3,000 net sellers. Man, they got longs absolutely jacked. $56 is going to be support now. Volume point of control dropped all the way down to 72. And then we're going to get some support at 56, which is value area low. So we're going to have to run 56. $3,100 sellers. Be right back. I'm back. Yeah, this is a boom, baby. We bots up 1665. We bounced exactly at value area low. I'm not taking this off. I think we'll sell down through it. 15-minute bar closes in 23 seconds. And you're going to get your short signal on a 15-minute. So if anybody is not in it and they want the trade, 4, 3, 2, 1, short. 55.75 was the short on the 15-minute. 55.75. And the original bot now shorted. Now again, this is on a 15-minute, so this could bounce, but it's still shorts. 55.75. Let me mark that. Got it marked. This could bounce back to 69.70, which is volume point of control. It should fail 69.70. I don't think it gets above that. Not with 3,100. We're back at volume point of control. Look at a 10-minute. Yeah, 40 is my final target. Excuse me. This could get a bounce, guys. All right, I'm closing this out. I'm flat. Everybody good? Target 1, hit and filled. ES. That's target 1. I'm holding 2. I'll put stop at 12. I took 3 off. Cool. Back to yesterday's low. Man, we're just having a day. Here's your ES trade. Here's your ES trade. Failed breakdown. Right? This is now red. It's a failed breakdown. Recover support. First target up. Having a day. My stop's at 12, so if it takes me out, I don't care. On the balance. Oh, another half a G. 600. Come on, pull back, you rat bastard. 13 I want. 13. So let's call it 17. Give me 17 for dose. Nope, not going to do it, huh? Come on, give me some sellers. Come on. Come on, pull back. 17. All right. I took 2 off. 19's holding it. Took 2 off. I'll take 1 at 17 now. All right. I'm flat. Made a couple bucks. Nothing of any interest. I don't think it can get through this area, though, unless it sits here and fills in this profile up to 30. I don't think it can get through that area. 10 minutes screwed us again. We've got to break down now below 410 on the 10-minute to come down. We're now hourly up, just kind of jocking around in the hourly. So now we're trading against the big or bigger time frame. Here comes my 17. You coward. I think that's a good area to trade against. I mean, I think you can short it anywhere anywhere with a stop above 30. 31, 32. I don't think you can get above that low volume area. There's no buyers. Let's see if it moves back up there again. On the 10-minute, I really need 10 to go. Going to get a little bit of support on the 2-minute right here at 9. Oh, we've been here before. We're below the point of control now. Point of control now at 14, which lines up with yesterday's low. $15. Trendbot's got one on long, but don't particularly dig it. I don't think we're coming lower than, I don't even know if I'm in ES anymore. I'm still in, yeah. I'm still in, hasn't come back to 12. If we can get through 17, we can start working up to 27 on the ES. 17, we start working to 27. I think we're coming back to 80, guys. Sellers are coming back in. I think we drop down now to 93. 93. We just need to get that little swing at 99. ES needs to get up through 17, James. NASDAQ's above VWAP. You almost got to be long here, but I can't take it long with no buyers. Bull flag. Anybody buy 10? Okay, Marcia. It's got to get through here. All right, Ed. Target number one, guys, 25, 24, or as you see fit. We're coming into the top of the hour, so we're going to get a little slow. They got longs trapped and shorts pretty much trapped. ES is close. Back into support. I have no short on the NASDAQ unless we break down below what looks like either we pull, we keep going higher, or if it should roll in this general vicinity, I have a short, but it's not until we get 87 or so. Looks like we're coming back or trying to come to 80. But the selling is infinitesimal. 40 net sellers in the previous 3-minute bar, 53 in the current bar. Go to a smaller time frame here, guys. We're breaking down. Short NASDAQ to 80. Short NASDAQ to 80. This could jerk around a little bit, but it's coming to 80. $2,200 sellers. What are you doing screwing around here? Come on down to 80. $48 till the candle closes on this 3-minute bar. They're selling them pretty good here. Resistance is 407. I don't know what got order filled. Bot shorted 400. Double bottomed here at 90. Come on, don't be a pain in the arse coming into the top of the hour. Now we're just sitting here. 2,200 sellers. Now we're just floating. There we go. Come on. Jeez, come on, Louise. Let's go. Break down. Okay, bots back up 1,200. Took profits. Half a breakdown. Got to 87. I mean, they're still selling them, guys. There are no buyers. Little bit of a trend line on the 2-minute. Now they're just playing. 82, 83, this should come anyways. Bot's trying to short again. Come on, just break down for the love of God. Good Jesus. Nice job, Mark. Hate when we get dirt slow. Nice job, Mark, as well. Mark and Mark. Seriously. Tell me we got buyers. 300 buyers. $400 buyers. Let me look at this on a 10-minute. Man, that 10-minute was almost broke down. I mean, Stuart, I can't make that decision for you. Where should you stop out? I can tell you I don't want to see this thing through 31. If it goes through 31, it's probably going to trade up. They're going to go trap freaking longs again. I took a loss on that trade. I'm seriously pissed about it too. Because below 82, that's another breakdown. Complete breakdown. 82 was target 1 for me.